So guys, how to restart iPhone 6s or iPhone SE first generation. Ang pag-uusapan natin, paano i-restart ang iPhone. Depende sa model ng iPhone. So, ang alternate method niya, first, press and hold the sleep wake button. Ito, right edge, and home button. Ito at the bottom. At the same time, yan, pagsasabayin mo yan, press mo 3 times. And then, when the Apple logo appears, release boot button. Pag hindi effective yun guys, press and hold both the volume down button and the sleep wake button at the same time. Yan, sasabayin mo lang yan. And then, when the Apple logo appears, release both buttons. So guys, kung hindi pa rin effective yun, ang gawin mo, i-charge mo muna and then i-try mo ulit.